Hello everyone and welcome to this how-to video. Today we're going to be discussing how to share a cart, how to save a cart, and how to share a saved cart. First things first, we need to be logged in as an associate. This functionality is only available for associates. So you can see here that I am logged in under my testing account and we are good to go. So we are going to go to our All Products page to add some products to our cart. One of the really powerful tools of the shareable cart is that you are able to share specific products and essentially create your own pack for a prospect. So let's say I just had a discussion with a prospect and we discussed their digestive health concerns. So I'm going to recommend Alice Select Mango to them. We also discussed that they're a little concerned about nutrition. So I'm going to recommend Essentials. And they're also concerned about stress. So we're going to add anti-stress to this card as well. We are going to scroll back up to our cart. We're ready to share this. We're going to click View Cart. Here you will see all of the items that we added. Now, when you're signed in as an associate, you will see these two buttons on the bottom. We have Share Cart as an option and Save Cart as an option. We'll get to this one in just a moment. And as a reminder, you have to be signed in as an associate to access this functionality. So we're going to click Share Cart. You can see here that we can share this with gift card customers. You can also decide whether or not they sign up with a convenience plan. We have yes checked as the default, so we're going to continue with that. We're going to click Send This Cart, and now we have several options to send this cart. We can share it via Facebook. Note that this posts it to your wall, and this does not send it via a direct message. If you want to do that, I recommend copying and pasting this URL. You can also share it via Twitter. Again, that would be a tweet and not a DM. We can share it via an email. And if I was on a mobile device, we would see a text icon here that we can share it that way. And we can also share and copy this URL, as you can see here. So let's say we want to save this cart because we know maybe a few other people that could benefit from this, but we're not quite ready to send this. You can click Save Cart, and we are going to call this cart Prospecting Cart. Oh, look at that. Save. And now here is a great example. I already named a cart Prospecting Cart. It will not allow you to override a name that already exists. If you want to do that, you need to go delete the cart and save a new one. So I will name this Customer Cart. Save. We'll get a little saved icon there. Now, where do I go to access this? I go up here in the right-hand corner to My Account, and in this drop-down menu, we see Saved Carts right here. We're going to click that, and we'll be able to access all of our saved carts. And so here we can see that we have our customer cart that we just saved, as well as a few other carts that I have tested in the past. You can see my prospecting cart here that gave us that name error earlier. Now, let's say I want to share Tati's cart to someone else. I can click Share here, and it'll populate my cart with those items and remove the items that were previously in my cart. So now we have Aloe Gold, Essentials, and a Govera canister. Again, you have the same options. You're going to share with a gift card customer, convenience plan, yes or no. When we click Send This Cart, you will see the same exact options. And that is how you create a shareable cart, save a cart, and share a saved cart. I hope this was educational and beneficial for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at our customer care department. An easy way to access is by calling them or emailing them at customercare@univera.com. Thank you and have a great day.